So now I will present about the introduction. So what is air quality? Air quality refers to the condition of the Earth's atmosphere, specifically regarding the presence and level of pollution that can harm human health and the environment. This pollution can include gases like carbon monoxide and ozone, as well as particulate matter, dust, salt, and aerosol.
Hi, I'm Abby, and today I'll be talking about understanding about air quality. So, air quality refers to the cleanliness or pollution level of the air within our surroundings. Maksudnya, air quality itu berdasarkan kebersihan dan tahap pollution dalam udara, dalam persekitaran kita. Specifically, indoor air quality is defined by the presence and concentration of pollutants such as carbon dioxide (CO2), volatile organic compounds (VOCs), particulate matter PM2.5 and PM10, and humidity levels within enclosed spaces. So ni adalah contoh-contoh air pollutants dalam berdasarkan air quality dalam persekitaran kita. In university environments, high occupancy and poor ventilation can cause these pollutants to accumulate, creating an unhealthy atmosphere. So maksudnya dekat kawasan universiti ataupun mana-mana, kualiti-kualiti ni menterukkan keadaan lah persekitaran. This in turn can reduce students' learning capabilities, increase absenteeism and contribute to chronic health conditions over time. So, kalau benda ni berlanjut, air quality yang teruk ataupun yang tidak begitu bagus, dia akan bagi efek kepada kesihatan murid-murid dan lain-lain lah. Contohnya dia takkan hadir ke sekolah, dia ada penyakit dan so on. So that's for my part. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Harindran. So my part is about the impact of indoor quality. According to the World Health Organization, air pollution stands as a leading danger to human health that exists in the environment. The performance of students in the education institution suffer due to the substandard air quality condition. High concentration of CO2, which is carbon dioxide, in the environment create feelings of drowsiness together with shorter attention periods and weak cognitive abilities. The real-time tracking of indoor environment quality at the QUIET project enable both quick remediation decision and better educational condition for hundreds of students. Menyebabkan carbon dioxide tinggi dalam environment, so pelajar-pelajar institut yang lain tidak dapat nak bagi tumpuan dan diorang sering mengantuk dalam kelas dan tidak dapat, badan-badan mereka sentiasa letih dan lemah lah.
Hi, my name is Rana. So today I'm going to explain about causes of air quality. So firstly, we have inadequate ventilation. Many older academic buildings lack of HAV system capable of regulating air circle effectively. For example, in old classroom, there are no fan, no air conditioner system. The windows are so hard open and there is no way for fresh air to enter. As a result, students feel uncomfortable. The air gets hot and stuffy and it becomes hard to concentrate during lesson. So secondly, we have urban location. Campuses located in city center are exposed to external pollution from vehicles and industry. For example, a college in the middle of a city surrounded by traffic and factories. When students open window for air, fresh smoke, dust and unpleasant smell from cars and industry enter the room. This polluted air can cause cough, sneezing or breathing problem. Thirdly, we have material and furnitures. Wax are emitted for paint adhesives of of office furniture and cleaning supplier. For example, when new furniture like table and chairs are brought into a classroom, they may result strong chemical smells. These smells come from the paint, glue, or cleaning liquid used. Breathing in this situation in chemical for so long time may cause headache, allergic, or breathing issues for students and teachers. Fourth, we have high occupants levels. So, crowded classroom quickly lead to high CO2 levels. Example, when too many students are packed in a small room, they all breathe out carbon dioxide with no proper ventilation and gas building up. After a while, people start to feel sleepy, tired, and dizzy, and it becomes hard to pay attention or so lastly, we have humidity imbalance. Poor climate control can cause mold grow or dry air, both of which can affect respiratory health. So last example, in classrooms, without air conditioner, the air might be too wet or dry. When it's too humid, mold can grow and the wall make the room smell bad and causes allergic. If the air is too dry, it can make the skin itch and dry out your throat, making it painful to take a breath.
So I will present about my part, which is data and statistic. Data and statistic, the scale of the problem is supported by numerous studies. 2022 survey found that more than 60% of European university classroom exceeding the CO2, or we call it carbon dioxide threshold of 1000 ppm, beyond which cognitive performance and may decline. World Health Organization, which is stand for WHO, estimate that approximately 3.8 million premature deaths occur annually due to indoor air pollution worldwide. In this early stage, the CARI project discovered that CO2 levels in some classrooms reach as high as 1,600 ppm during peak hours, significantly above the safe limit. After improvement, those levels dropped to healthier range below 800 ppm. Make a statistic. So this is the statistic that significant. As we can clearly see here, the CARI project peak classroom CO2 pre-invention is 68.9%, and CARI project post-intervention CO2 is 32.5%. So this is the table for the statistic. Metric European classroom exceeding safe CO2 1000 ppm, and the value is above the 60 and above, and the source of 2022 EU study, European study, and significant cognitive decline risk and global premature death from indoor air quality is a value is 3.8 million years, and source of WHO, and the significant is health emergency. And CARI project peak classroom CO2 pre-intervention is 1,600 ppm, and source of CARI's case study, and significant 60% above safe limit. And CARI project post-intervention CO2 is below 800 ppm in CARI case study, and significance is 20% below danger threshold. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Back with me, Radina. So now I'm going to talk about recommendation to implement the air quality. So firstly, we install AIQ sensor. The introduction of indoor air quality AIQ sensor should begin by replacing them at key location throughout lecture hall and library, as well as cafeteria and computer lab. The quality monitoring devices need to measure essential indicators such as CO2 level, recommend with 2.5 and 10 measurement, and also record humidity level of temperature data together with VOC readings. Real-time quality data collected through sensor allow facilities terms to rapidly detect the address poor air condition as part of the IAQ dashboard. Facilities can track their whole campus's air quality status in real time. So second recommendation to implement for air quality is modernized HIV system. The HAV system needs modern upgrade to fulfill current standard of air quality. The implementation of high efficient particles and HEPA filter should become part of system designed to capture at least 99.97% of airborne particles including dust, pollutant, mold, and bacteria. So, HAV automation enables a ventilation system to read IAQ sensor and occupancy-based control for achieving ideal ventilation rates. Energy recovery ventilation ERVs should be used during the modernizing to balance energy efficiency with new ventilation requirement. Dust cleaning together with filter replacement request schedules maintains that ensure permanently system function. So, thirdly, we have conduct regular air audits. So, for the air audit schedule, air quality audits need to be performed for monitoring how well AIQ improvement effective works. The audits need to assess CO2 level and ventilation rate measurement and airborne contaminant evaluation and relative humidity tracking. Details report essentially indicate audit's outcome, which should get distributed to the public to boost accountability and transparency. The dissemination of audit result institution through town hall meeting along with newsletter helps student and staff understand the value of maintaining a healthy indoor environment. So fourthly, we have integrate air quality into curriculum. So the topic in the recommendation is integrated air quality subject matter into existing courses for health studies along with the environment. So science as well as engineering and sustainability, students need to study both the organized of indoor pollution and it helps consequences as well as the available air quality management solution. So, students' participation in IAQ monitoring project and green building model design activities surveys as an effective means to deepen student engagement. Educating students about IAQ creates an environment of awareness which develop their ability to work for healthy environment across workplace. So, and communicators where they will lead in the future. So last but not least, we have incorrect green design. Element building should integrate green design through indoor plant selection to allow passive air purification of specific airborne toxins. The air purification process can be achieved using specific plant, especially which consist of spider plant, places lilies, and snake plant. Buildings should contain non-toxic sustainable methods which include wood bamboo wood as well as reclaimed wood and low VOC paint finish, natural light, and educate indoor and outdoor access create perfect condition to improve air quality and establish mental well-being, life quality and environment sustainable benefit for achieve texturally integrate natural materials because this element simultaneously advance interior air quality management. That's all from me. Thank you. So I pass to the conclusion.
So, for the conclusion is the choir project at a UPC give an example how university can lead the way in ensuring health learning environment with the return to in-person education and the ever-present risk of airborne illness. Clean indoor air should be a priority equal to other academic resources. Air quality is not merely a technical challenge, it is a public health imperative, a productivity booster, and a marker of institutional excellence. So that's all from us. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.